homestead. My name is Krista and I just got home from picking up my Azure order and I'm excited to show you guys what I got. So we are going to open up the boxes together because I always say this on all my videos. I honestly can't remember the majority of stuff that I ordered, so we're gonna open it together. Okay, so the very first thing that we have here is a box of canned peaches. These are Orchard Naturals peach slices, yellow clean, and they are put in 100%, so I'm just trying to read the label here. They're in 100% juice. Now, normally I can all of my peaches for the year, but this year where I live in South Kentucky. My pickup is actually just outside of Nashville. So I go all the way into Tennessee to pick my stuff up because it's the closest one to me. But anyways, where I live, the peaches all around me, we had a really bad freeze this spring or winter. What happened is most of the blossoms actually ended up falling off of the trees. So where I live, if you are lucky enough to find peaches, they are insanely priced. I went to a fruit auction and they were going for almost $50 a box. So I decided that instead of me canning up peaches and paying $50 for a box, I was just going to buy 12 of them. So they are already pre-done and canned for me. Now, they do have these, I'll show you. They have these tops on them. I have heard that these particular types of tops aren't really good for long-term storage. So we'll eat these up pretty quick. Like the expiry date on these is September 1st, 2025. So I have until next year to get through these. So we'll be able to do it. I just like to have peaches for cobblers and stuff in the winter. So we got 12 of those. And I will leave the prices below for you guys, just telling you how much every item was. Okay, so first box. These two boxes are extremely heavy and they have arrows pointing up, so I guess we'll open them that way. Hopefully nothing falls out. Of this old-fashioned molasses. I make my own brown sugar and I am trying to kind of get stocked up for the upcoming, and I know it's not really upcoming, but for the holiday season, I make a lot of gingerbread stuff, plus the brown sugar for baking everything for holidays. So picked up a gallon of this because I was almost out of my other one. I really like this brand. I ordered this Charlie Soap Laundry Pre-Spray. I've never tried this before. I'm gonna give it a try. I'm trying to eliminate shout. I don't like the ingredients in it, so I'm hoping that this one kind of is a good replacement. I've never tried it before, so I don't know. I will let you guys know how it works. It says it cleans everything, even red wine. So we'll see. I like how they pack all of their cleaning stuff in bags. I mean, it is a lot of plastic, but it doesn't get on other food. So we've got some powdered laundry detergent here, and this is lavender. This is the Azure Clean brand. I've never tried this one. I normally make my own laundry soap, but with canning season being so aggressive right now and me just doing a whole bunch of preserving, I honestly don't have time to make my own laundry soap right now. So I picked up this stuff. The reviews looked pretty good on it, so we'll see how we like it. And again, I can let you guys know how it worked out for me. And then I ordered some more dish soap. Again, with preserving season, I have been going through so much dish soap lately. I ordered another one because I'm getting low on it. I order them in 128 fluid ounces. This, I just take my little, I'll show you. I have this little container that I just fill up with the laundry soap or the dish soap. So when I order it in this size, it works perfect. I can just reuse this. I am so hot. It is 107 today, and it was very hot doing that pickup in that weather. So the other fun thing that I ordered, and I have never ordered this from Azure before, so I'm excited to try it. I ordered some honey. It is the berry wildflower honey, and it is raw honey. This one is 12 pounds. I normally pick up my honey from a local beekeeper, but their prices went up almost $80. I normally get 3 gallons and it usually lasts me a year, but like I said, their prices went up so much this year that it was really not economical for me to actually purchase it through the local beekeeper. Now, mind you, yes, it is really beneficial to make sure you're consuming honey from within your local area, because honey works as like an allergen. If you suffer from allergies, if you get a local honey from bees that are foraging around things in your area that would be activating your allergies, it can actually work to help them. So this is not necessarily going to be a benefit because it's not local to me, but it is still honey, it's still raw, and we're still going to enjoy it in all of our baked goods. And I got my free sales flyer. I love looking at this thing because it shows me all of the new products that Azure's coming out with. You can also actually go online when you're doing your Azure order, and there's a section for new products as well, but I don't know, I just like having it. This is reading material when I get a minute to sit down. Okay, so we have 2 more boxes left. We have raw walnuts. This is a 5-pound bag of walnut pieces. I use this to make my granola, so I really like having it in 5-pound bags. I'll just throw it in my freezer and it'll store well. And this is a new product that Azure has, and it looks really interesting. Our spray and pump for mason jars. I use a vinegar to clean with, and I thought it would be really cool to have one of these lids and just be able to just put this on top of my mason jar and just clean with it. So these are going to be fun. And then again, with the pump attachment, I can do the same thing. I can put some of my dish soap or hand soap in a mason jar and then just use that as a pump. I may end up ordering a couple more of the pump attachments because I really like the idea of just being able to use the mason jars. And then I ordered my favorite kind of butter. This is Mother's Choice Sweet Cream Butter. And these are 1-pound boxes, and I ordered 6 of them. I always order 6 at a time because you do get quite a discount when you do order 6 of them. And you guys, I think I'm missing something again. Maybe not, maybe they individually packaged it. Let's hope. One thing I was really looking forward to, and it's in there, so yay. I really like these butters because they come in the sticks. Like there's 4 sticks in here, whereas if I order the other kind that's pretty popular on Azure, it just comes in a block, and I just like being able to have the sticks just for recipes. It makes it easier for me. And then I ordered my favorite sour cream. I love this sour cream, and I just used the last of it yesterday in a recipe, so I was really happy that we were getting our pickup today. So we have fresh sour cream. And then I ordered more of our favorite apple juice. We went through it so quickly. I am thinking that maybe next month I am gonna maybe order, I think you can get 6 of them instead of, I just ordered 2 of them. And I don't get a discount because it's not part of the bulk pricing. I may order 6 of these next month because my kids and Steven love this apple juice. So I got 2 of them. And then one thing I ordered is some beeswax candles. I am trying to get a good stockpile of candles for the winter. I really love like lighting candles just for a nice, you know, calming effect in the winter when it's dark early. So next month I'm probably gonna order a couple more of these packages because they are, I mean, they say they're long burning. So I wonder how long they are. There's 6 in here in this package, but again, I probably want to have like double, maybe triple this amount just for the winter. get stocked up on that early. The other thing that I got in preparation for kind of the fall and winter is I got some ginger juice. I am hoping to use this in like teas in the winter, like with a little bit of lemon, and I'll just put a splash of this ginger juice in it, and I think it will make a really nice soothing tea. Plus, you know, in the fall, everybody gets sick, so I really am excited to have this in my on my pantry shelf. I'm just actually checking to see if I need to keep this refrigerated. I think it's like one of those things where you refrigerate after opening. It doesn't say anything on there, so we'll just put it on the pantry shelf for now. I'm excited about this one. This is some Concord grape jam. I think this one's jam and not jelly. I grew Concord grapes this year, but it made hardly any juice out of the amounts that I got, and these were on sale this month. I actually probably should have ordered more of them because I didn't get to make any grape jam this year, and it was on my list, so I'm really excited to get these. These are low sugar. What does it say here? Low sugar? I think it says, yeah, 30 calories. Not that I'm worried about the calories, but it says 33% less sugar than regular preserves. It's just got Concord grape puree, and then it's got organic cane sugar, apple pectin, vitamin C, and citric acid. That is it. That's really clean, so I'm really excited to get these on my pantry shelf. Okay, we're at the last box now. I know what's in this one. Yes. So last month I got a really, really good deal on cherries, and I was super happy with the quality of them. The sale was still going on this month, so I ordered another 4-pound. You can see them, I'm trying to get them out. It's really stuck in here. Not as good quality, that's for sure. It's all open. I ordered another 4 pounds because I'm actually going to be making a recipe for a canned I don't even know how to say it. I'll leave it below what I'm trying to say. But I'm gonna try canning them, and these, even though these condition, like they're not the best quality. They're really mushy, but that's fine. We're gonna be canning these up anyways, so I'll just kind of go through them and get rid of the really bad ones that have like mold on them and stuff. But these guys were on sale again. Not as good of a sale. I think they were 15 something, and last month I got them for $10. So still a good deal for organic cherries, so I'm excited to try that recipe, and I will include it on my video. Probably it'll be next week's preserving video, because I do have to get these, based on their condition, I do have to get these kind of worked because they're not the best shape. So that is it, my little Azure haul for the month of August. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will leave a link below for Azure Standard if you are new and you want to give them a try, but probably most of you, like I usually say, you probably already subscribed to Azure and you love them as much as I do. So thank you guys so much for watching, and I hope you guys have a great day or night whenever you're watching this, and I will see you on the next video. Bye guys.